Probably there's a first time for you to visit my channel, probably not. You can see it's winter. Looks good out there, but it's pretty cold today. Right now it's at 3 degrees. So yeah, it's cold. Join me here for a short drive. Just want to show you where I'm driving, Twin Cities, Minnesota. If there's a first time for you to visit, well, you know what to do. Give us a like, subscribe, support the work. If it's not, you're a subscriber, thank you so much. Continue supporting us by watching our videos and giving likes. You can leave a comment, but always be kind. If you don't mind, you can say where you're watching from. You don't have to. It's nice though. They have some nice house over there. Look at all the icicles up there. It's a lot. Today we are under cold weather advisory. With the wind chill, it feels like 35 degrees below zero. You can go for a walk over there. It's called Reservoir Woods. Took my kid there. I think he was like 6. Gonna drive here on this road that feels like a country road. Not busy. I have some nice houses over there. And to my left is Lake McCarran. Look at all those icicles. I'm gonna stop here for a second. Look at that. I'm gonna be blocked by the tree. But that's a lot. To my left, that's Lake McCarran back there. You can see the road here is twisty. Looks like a country road. Reminds me of that song, Country Roads Take Me Home. You can see the lake is frozen. Probably in the middle there might be some patches where the ice has not formed yet. They have some homes, not too many, right next to the lake. Maybe that's a better view of the lake. It's blocked by the trees. Come back and watch the playlist. This channel, I started it in 2019. We had 14,000 subscribers. Probably if you're nice, you can subscribe. So you can help us get to 20,000 subscribers. But it doesn't mean if you don't subscribe, you are not nice. That's just me saying. Alright, wanted to show you that country road here in Twin Cities. Take it easy, take care of yourself in whatever you're doing and whatever time you're watching. But don't forget to spread love. Alright, the world is full of hate. See you in the next video. But if you came back and watched the playlist, that would be nice. They have DQ right there. And a major street here is called Rice Street. Peace out.